Today on Allotment Chronicles UK, we're going to be planting these module grown onion sets. They've been in module since mid to late November and they've been hardening off outside for the last couple of weeks. They're a bit bedraggled because of the rain, but I'm hopeful that we'll have a good crop in the summer. And that hope is really based upon the fact that we have a good solid root system. So, time to get them planted. This is the bed that I shall be planting the onions in. It was manured the back end of the summer. Excuse the motorbike going past. It's quite friable, the soil. It's not too wet. It's been covered, so it's weed free. So what I first need to do is use my method, which is just use a piece of mesh for spacing, because one of the important things about onions is you have the right spacing. Now all I've done is put the mesh on the ground and then using simple plant labels just mark where each of the onion sets will go, giving them plenty of room to grow between. I also like to be able to get the hoe in. I don't need to grow hundreds because I shall have more than one bed, but this is somewhere to start. So I would do this until I've filled the whole grid, and then just to show you, if I had these two in here at the end of the line, in order to maintain the spacing, I just literally pick up the grid, I move it, that's 64 onion sets or onion plants planted out, and I'll add to the bed with new sets probably the end of February. It's time to prune my wheelbarrow tree. I've got far too many, so I'm just going to keep the best 8.